Hello, this is Brad Harvey. Welcome to our Ask the Advisor video series, where we answer your financial questions. Today's question that we're going to answer is life insurance an investment? I get this question all the time. And I will tell you from a practical standpoint, keep in mind that insurance companies make profit by taking in more money than they send out. If they were sending out more money than they were taking in premiums, then guess what? They wouldn't be in existence very long. Insurance at its core is a way to share risk, usually casualty risk or property risk, accidental risk. If you die early, what does that do to your family finances? Having insurance makes a lot of sense in that arena because you want to insure against the loss of that income. Or if we have a big hailstorm, which happens a lot in Colorado Springs, you want to share that risk with an insurance company so you're not footing the bill for a new roof and windows. You're paying them premiums over time, and then if you have a big incident or a claim like that, the insurance company comes in and helps to foot the bill. That's called sharing risk or underwriting risk. Well, these insurance companies are very, very good at predicting the risk. How much money do they need to take in and reserve to cover those casualty losses? Well, that's true with life insurance, that's true with property and casualty, long-term care, you name it. They're trying to figure out how to make sure that they take in more premiums than they pay out in claims. Now, does any of this sound like an investment? Well, at the end of the day, if you buy life insurance, you're insuring against the loss of someone's life. For that to pay off, then that person has to die before the insurance company thinks they're going to die. And usually suicide and other things like that aren't going to help. There are clauses against that. So does that sound like an investment to you? Well, it certainly doesn't sound like an investment to me. So insurance companies, which are very smart and very well run, and they have great salespeople that are very well trained and they're ethical, what they're trying to do is sell these products, and it is a sales process. They're trying to sell these products as investments. They might have an investment component. They might build up cash value. They might be a variable product of some sort that gets you some sort of derivative exposure to the market or index type products that give you exposure to indexes within different circuit breakers. It's very, very complex. But there is an old adage that I think is important, and that is buy term insurance for your life and invest the rest. Well, if you do that, you're typically going to be minimizing your costs, and it keeps things very, very simple. These complex life insurance products that are universal life, variable universal life, and all of these other types of labels, they're complicated. The fine print is very complicated, and most people don't bother to read it. Most people don't actually know what they have. And what's even worse, they don't know what kinds of commissions they're paying or what the annual fees are. These products are sold. They are not represented by fiduciaries. Remember, fiduciaries are required to act in the best interest of their clients. Salespeople are not. Salespeople are there to sell products, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. However, be an informed consumer. Demand that you know, what are you paying? What are you paying for? How much are you paying? How long is this product supposed to work? At what point does it pay off? Ask those questions. So today's question that we answered is life insurance an investment? Thanks for visiting our channel. We hope you found the information valuable. If you want to see more videos about investing, please click to subscribe. If you have any questions you'd like for us to answer, please send us an email to harvey@riagroups.com. We would love your feedback.